I searched up on the net and I came across AYJ Solicitors, and I read the reviews, and everybody had, very good words to say about them. And they were the only solicitors that I called, and immediately I think Yash Dubal, who's at A Y J Solicitors, he picked up the phone, and his voice was so reassuring. He just took all my details and kind of went through our case, and immediately came back to us with a solution.
Please introduce yourself, name, position, and the company that you work for.
Hi, good morning. I'm Purnima Kaushal. I work at AMISOFT Technologies as HR Director.
What problems you are trying to solve with AYJ Solicitors service?
So AMISOFT Technologies holds a sponsor license to sponsor migrant workers to support our business. And every few years we have a compliance visit from the Home Office to ensure that we are following all the immigration policies as set out by the Home Office. And there are different procedures and policies that we need to follow, like making sure all the migrant workers are paid on time. We are reporting all activities about the migrant workers, and many such other procedures that we as a company hiring migrant workers we need to follow. So on this occasion they found certain issues which they flagged off, and for that reason they suspended our license, which was a big setback for our business. And it could be a nightmare for any business where its license has been suspended. So we've been associated with AYJ Solicitors, I think, for more than 8-9 years now. And the first time our license was suspended, it was something very new for us because it had never happened with us before. And I searched up on the net and I came across AYJ Solicitors, and I read the reviews, and everybody had very good words to say about them. And they were the only solicitors that I called, and immediately I think Yash Dubal, who's at A Y J Solicitors, he picked up the phone, and his voice was so reassuring. He just took all my details and kind of went through our case, and immediately came back to us with a solution. And they worked with us last time, and we were able to get our license back. And this year again, when we were hit with the same problem, immediately my first thing was to pick up the phone and call up Yash, and he put us in touch with Diana, who is a solicitor at AYJ Solicitors, and I must say she's brilliant. She handheld us through the entire process. She was very strict with us. She wanted every documentation to be perfect to the T, just to make sure that we didn't miss out anything, and the Home Office could see that we were doing the right things, and we had everything to prove that there was nothing amiss about how we were running our business. So, yeah.
How did AYJ Solicitors help you solve the issue with the sponsor license?
So, firstly, I would like to say that they all have very eminent lawyers who know their work. So, if somebody is good at their work, they know what is required of you. So obviously immigration is a very big topic. We don't know. We are asked by the Home Office to stick to certain things and kind of make sure we run our business within that purview. But sometimes as employers, even we miss that. So they made sure all the points that were flagged off by the Home Office, we answered and provided documentation for every point, as many documents as we could, that even if they had not asked for it, any proof that we could give, whether it was salary slips, whether it was reporting, anything. So they were very particular. We did not miss. They were constantly in touch with us. Any phone call, they would immediately respond back. And I didn't have to wait or chase Diana or Yash. Immediately they were available on WhatsApp, on email, on phone calls. And they literally just handled us through the entire process. We were working late nights, so there was nothing that it is going by the hour, like solicitors, normally everybody gets scared that, it's going by the hour and they're not going to work beyond this time. I did not feel that at all. And I'm very happy with, how we work together.
Would you recommend AYJ Solicitors to your family and friends? And if yes, why?
Definitely. I mean, I haven't gone to any other immigration solicitors since we have had, initiated this relationship with AYJ Solicitors. And I'm one for maintaining long relationships and hopefully not for the suspension of our license again. But any other immigration issue that you have, you can definitely get in touch with AYJ Solicitors, and they will answer every query. They will present things to you as they are. They will not sugarcoat them just to get money off you. If it can be done, they will fight tooth and nail to make sure that it is sorted out for you. So AYJ Solicitors is different. I'm not saying because they work for us. Obviously, every situation is not solvable, but they will make sure that if your case can be sorted out, they will do it, and they will be there for you.
What is the solution that AYJ Solicitors provided to your business?
So basically, obviously, as I said, we were missing out on certain compliance checks, so I told, like sometimes while working, you can kind of fall behind on certain things. So they have kind of created a process for us, and we are going to sit together and make sure that we get a tailor-made kind of compliance check procedure for us, so that next time this situation does not arise.
What was the outcome to the suspension of your sponsor license?
So because of the helpful advice and guidance of AYJ Solicitors, especially Diana and Yash, we have got our license back. It was reinstated. The Home Office was happy with all the evidence that we provided, and hopefully the situation will not arise next time.